Hi guys, we're vlogging today. I'm about to go get my hair done and I just want to go and get braids. I'm getting these braids inspired by Rihanna. So let me show you guys my hair right now. So I'm just going to a salon near me to get this done, and I'm hoping it doesn't take a lot of time. Actually, it may take a lot of time, at least a few hours, but I'm just going to go over there. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm just going to go to the salon, so come with me. So the salon that I originally wanted to go to was actually not open, so I literally had to walk around looking for a salon that was open just so I could walk in and get my hair done. I found this place that is pretty much a very simple and typical roadside Nigerian salon, and I just got in, told them what I wanted to do, and took out my protective chunky braids, and this is what my hair is like. What's your name? Say hi to my people.
You can't do it. I can't. You are stressing me the hell out. I can't. I'm done. Because I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm your friend, and I just want you to understand.